Pocket watches were once the pinnacle of personal timekeeping. But their story goes beyond telling time. Long before wristwatches, pocket watches helped people organize their days and connect with the rhythms of life. Each tiny gear and spring was shaped and fitted by hand, combining engineering precision with artistic flourish. Watchmakers often engraved cases with family crests or intricate patterns, transforming each timepiece into a unique work of art. The heart of every pocket watch is its mechanical movement. Winding the crown tightens the mainspring, which slowly unwinds to power the watch. Energy passes through a network of gears, then the escapement regulates each tick, ensuring time advances evenly and accurately. Hands adjust the time, gears turn, details of filigree and craftsmanship shimmer in the light. Although largely replaced by modern technology, these watches represent an era when precision and beauty were inseparable. Their enduring complexity reminds us that technology can be timeless art. Remarkably, some antique pocket watches still run flawlessly after more than a century, outlasting entire generations. Their reliability reveals the remarkable durability and ingenuity of historical watchmakers. Tiny Fact Studio.